Welcome to Authio. How to use Authio OTP authentication for WooCommerce. This video explains how to set up and use the Authio OTP authentication for WooCommerce plugin with Authio.io. First, make sure that the WooCommerce plugin is already installed and active on your WordPress website. Now, go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Authio OTP. Click Install Now and then Activate. After activation, you'll see a new menu on the left side called WC OTP Auth. Click on it. Inside, click on Documentation. You'll find a link to create an account on Authio.io. Click it, then on the website, hit Start Free Trial to register. Enter your email address, check your inbox for an OTP and complete the registration. This OTP verification ensures your account is secure right from the start. Once logged in, go to the Application section from the left side menu. If you're creating an application for the first time, you can follow the step-by-step guide shown in the video provided here. To create a new application, click on Create Application. Enter your application name. Then click Next. Now, on this page, select the authentication channels for your application. You can choose from email, SMS, WhatsApp or voice call. To send OTPs through all selected channels at the same time, enable Send OTP to all selected channels simultaneously. Alternatively, you can assign priority levels to each channel. So if the first method fails, the next one will automatically be used. Once you've selected your preferred channels and priorities, click Next to continue. Here, set the OTP expiry time, the duration after which the OTP becomes invalid. Next, choose when to auto-delete authentication logs and set the OTP length as per your requirement. You can also upload your brand logo here. Once all details are set, click Create to save the application. Now, Authio will generate 3 keys: App ID, Client ID, and Client Secret. Copy them, we'll need these in WordPress. Back in your WordPress admin, open the WC OTP Auth tab. Click on Settings to configure your OTP options. Enable OTP verification for login and registration to secure user access. Under OTP configuration, set your preferred OTP length and expiry time. In delivery methods, choose how you want to send OTPs via email, WhatsApp, SMS or voice call. Select your primary method and enable fallback method to ensure OTP delivery even if one channel fails. Scroll up to the testing mode section. You can enable OTP bypass for testing to skip verification for test numbers or emails. Set your default country code, then paste your Authio app ID, client ID, and client secret copied earlier from the Authio dashboard. Finally, under Country Codes Management, click Clear Country Codes Cache if needed and then hit Save Changes. To connect OTP authentication with WooCommerce, go to the Shortcode tab. For registration, copy the shortcode, paste it into a new page, and publish. For login, copy the login shortcode, paste it into another page, and publish. Now, users can register and log in with OTP via their email or phone number. Important, always add your country code before the phone number. You can view all OTP activity in the OTP logs section of the plugin. Note, with a free account, you get $1 credit to start. If you need more, you can top up your balance anytime.